So I read somewhere that if you do what you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. I thought, well, that sounds nice. But let me tell you what my life looked like a year ago. I was a college student, just like you, spending way too much time on my phone. Basically, my phone was just a tool for scrolling Instagram, watching random videos, playing games, and basically wasting time. Every night, I would look at my screen time and feel this quiet guilt, like 5 hours wasted and nothing to show for it. But everything changed when I stumbled upon someone on YouTube saying that they earned money from their phone. No fancy gear, no office, just their phone. I thought they were lying, but something inside me pushed me to try it out. So I did, and to my surprise, it worked. So a year ago today, I designed a resume template on Canva from my phone and sold it for rupees 199. That was my first ever online sale. I reinvested that into learning a bit more, upgraded my skills, and got a little more clarity on what I wanted to do. I joined Fiverr and offered super simple services like converting PDFs, making presentations, even typing notes. Now, I wasn't earning lakhs, but the 500 here, 1,000 there, it added up. And the best part was I was doing it between classes on my lunch break or while commuting. So it was a great way to earn some extra cash. Then I discovered that I could create short reels and tips on Instagram, and slowly people started following. I posted about my earnings, and pretty soon I landed my first brand deal. Then I started teaching. I tutored a 10th grade student over video call and made rupees 3,000 in a week. And it all happened from the same device I used to waste time on. It sounds crazy, but it's true. You can earn a decent amount of money from your phone. But let me tell you something. A phone is a tool. It's a hammer in the hand of a skilled person and a toy in the hand of a child. It's in your hands how you use it. If you're spending hours on end, playing games, or scrolling through social media, it's not going to make you money. But if you use that time to learn new things, connect with people, provide value, it can be your biggest asset. So if you're sitting there with a phone in your hand and wondering how to earn more, don't overthink it. Start small. Offer something useful. Learn one skill and then monetize it. You can do it. Trust me. This phone can be your biggest asset or your biggest distraction. You decide. Thank you.